In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix iPhone no service problem. Firstly, check cellular data settings. Go to Settings, Mobile Data, and make sure mobile data is on, and if you're traveling, also turn on data roaming. 2. Reinsert the SIM card. Power off your iPhone, remove and reinsert the SIM card and turn it back on and check the signal. Optionally, try another SIM to isolate the issue. 3. Toggle airplane mode. Swipe down for control center and turn on airplane mode, wait 10 seconds and then turn it off. 4. Switch between 4G and 3G. Go to Settings, Cellular, Voice and Data. Try switching between 4G, 5G or 3G to restore service. Now finally, check for career settings update. Go to Settings, General About. Wait a few seconds. If a career settings update pops up, install it. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.